I'm gonna animate 10 minutes of a cat. Okay, so we're gonna do the outline, and it's gonna be like this. This kind of looks wild. What the? Yeah, guys, now we're gonna draw that tail. Now we're gonna make the cat. We're gonna make the cat walking. It has many legs. Is this like a dog to you? Like, look. So we're gonna make it gray. Gray cool dog. We're gonna do it like this now. Look how quick this is. We need to be very careful now. You know what? Just let it cover it anyways. We can redraw it. This looks kind of weird. Okay, what the heck? What is this? Now I'm going to draw the little pink ears. Okay, I have 7 minutes and 53 seconds left. Guys, now this is kind of looking like a cat. Not a dog anymore. Look at my kitty cat. She's also gonna have spots on her. So they have I have a lot of seconds left. Like, look how much time I have. So 7 minutes. 5 minutes is okay. So this is over for this is 400. So the time is ending in 420 seconds. 417, 416, 415. Okay, it's ending in 400 seconds and 600s or 400s. Why did I say 600s? So this is my cat. Okay, 397. Now we're gonna draw. We're gonna make her. We're gonna make his. Okay, what the heck is this? So this is my cat, and I have 361 seconds. No, 359. Want to know how I know? Because 5 minutes is 300. So 353. That is 300. Okay, I don't know what to add next. Okay, this is wild. Well, guys, the timer won't end, but you do have enough time. Okay. Now this is my cat so far. I don't know how to copy, so we're gonna add a little more spots. this might be a white cat turning to one. And guys, did you know I actually know how to write stories, but not like long stories, but I do know how to make short stories. You just, you get a paper and you fold it. 268 seconds. Yep. 259 already. Been 200 seconds ago. Now we're gonna make a tiny story with it. Cat. Cat is gray and white. Guys, check the time. I do not know. Okay, now I know. No. And it is 3 minutes and 39 seconds. And I wasn't even looking. And white. It's gray and white. See, look! Okay, guys, I have 200 seconds left. And I'm already, done with this. Okay. 186. And I'm already done. We're gonna make it kinda crazy. We're gonna add a bit orange to her. And there's 165 seconds left. 159. Okay, that is cool. Okay. Okay, my time is almost running out. We're gonna make a bit of her tail orange. The rest is black. See, this is where we look. See, that is my kitty cat. She is gray and white still, but orange. I forgot to add orange because I have 122 seconds left, and 149 is 2 minutes and 29, dude. Oh, so I'm not talking anymore. 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 141, 140, well, 98. Okay, guys, that's how much seconds. We're now 94. The time is almost up. I'm gonna make this mostly orange. And I'm gonna make white hair orange. She is orange, mostly filled, but the most is gray. Not black, because black is the outline. And 68 seconds left. That is not a lot of time. 159? What? That's supposed to be 99. I'm just kidding. But there's actually time's running out. 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, West 14, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got rid of it. And that is my 10 minutes cat. Hope you like it. It's been 10 minutes.